Hi Year 7, so I'm going to give you the answers as video just to help you through so that you're preparing for your quiz on Friday. So let's start with question 1, which is all about square numbers. So it says use your knowledge of square numbers and index notation to complete the following. So it's asking us to visualise 7 squared. Okay, so this is asking us to visualise something that looks like 7 times 7. And remember in class we did lots of drawing out of squares, and this one is asking you to draw a square that is 7 by 7. Now I'm just going to extend this square out a little bit, and we'll just check it is 7 by 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is a visual of 7 squared because it's 7 on each side. Now B is asking us to calculate the value of 6 squared. So 6 squared equals 6 times 6, which equals 36. C is asking us to calculate the value of the square root. Remember, this sign here is the square root sign. And this sign here is the square sign. So they're actually opposite to each other. So what we have to do is we have to figure out what multiplied by itself gives us 64. So it's going to be a square number. So how many in 7 by 7? 7 by 7 equals 49. So it's going to be bigger. So let's try 8. Okay, so that's 8 that way. Let's try if we divide it in half. So we've divided it into 4 parts and then take all of those into half. And I've got 8 by 8. And if I add all those up, 8 by 8, or multiply 8 by 8, you're going to find out that it's 64. So therefore, square root of 64 is the same as the square root of 8 times 8. And remember, the square root is the length of the side. So the square root of 64 is going to equal 8. So it's the square root, it's the length of the side of the square that it makes up. And part D is asking us to calculate the value of the square root of 36. Now we already know here that 6 times 6 is 36, so we can write that as the square root of 6 times 6. So without even having to draw the square, I know that the square root of 36 is 6. So there are our answers. So this one, this one, this one, and this one. So thank you.